If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on your Revolut account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check transfer details. Verify the details of the transfer, including the recipient's information and the amount. Ensure everything is correct to avoid any issues. Step 2. Confirm network status. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. A poor connection can cause delays in processing transactions. Step 3. Review account limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Outdated versions may have bugs that can affect transaction processing. Step 5. Contact support. If the transfer is still pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Revolut's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific information regarding your transaction. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on your Revolut account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.